Hello everybody, it's the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. Before we get started with today's XRP news and technical analysis, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm is going to notify you of all the latest XRP content that I put out. So once again, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and now let's get into today's news. So we're in the 4-hour chart. XRP is still looking strong. It's currently sitting at about 63 cents. Nothing has really changed from what I was talking about the other day, where I've been saying we're in accumulation, but we're in like upwards accumulation. We're having a slow rise. It's almost like a ticking time bomb. And when that time bomb ticks, I think we're going to have a huge swing to the upside. You can see right here on the chart, we have this upward price channel. And what's going to happen, or what needs to happen, is we're going to have to break above this orange line right here. And this will actually launch us into an even higher price channel, because you can see this price channel is much higher than this one. We're still back and forth on this, but once we break out of this and get into here, I think the sky is going to be the limit, because that will signal to investors that XRP, of course, is having the explosive growth. Now, we are still looking very healthy on RSI. We're not overbought. We're not oversold. We're just holding steady, guys. We're going up slowly, going up we're up about 4% today, I believe. Yeah, we're up about 4% in the past 24 hours. Markets are looking good. On the MACD, things are kind of, you can't really talk too much about that right now because we're having, crossings every couple hours, as you can see. So we can't talk too much about the MACD. But if you go into the 1-day chart, right over here, the directional movement index is still showing an upwards trending market, which is still very positive, okay? Also on the 1-day chart, RSI still looks steady. We're a little bit higher if you're on the 1-day chart versus the 4-hour chart, but we're not even into overbuying yet. So very healthy signs on XRP. The one word, again, and I've been repeating this word that I could use to describe XRP right now, is healthy. We're having accumulation. People are stacking up on XRP right now. Investors are looking at XRP as an investment to get into on the long term. I really do think XRP is going to be a very good long-term investment, make a lot of people a lot of money. That's not financial advice. That is just my opinion, but I put my money where my mouth is. I own a lot of XRP. So that's the way I am looking at the one word to describe XRP on a technical side of things right now is healthy. It's not having explosive growth yet that we saw from November 21st up until 25th, that week where it was up like 90%. It was crazy. But we're still having healthy growth. The technicals, I don't know what else you could ask for. We're having healthy growth in people. I think this is offering investors an opportunity to get into XRP before we really take off for that second leg and go even higher, avoid the double top. All we have to do is break 80 cents to avoid that double top. And from there on, the sky is the limit. Now, moving on to the news today with some interesting news. 95% of Ripple customers are not from the US. CEO Brad Garlinghouse says potential customers in the US are apparently holding off from using Ripple's XRP-related services due to regulatory uncertainty. Now, a lot of people might take this as a negative. Well, why is the US not looking or not using XRP? And it has to do with the stupid SEC, which I think we're going to get an answer on fairly soon. But this is actually a positive, in my opinion. There's a silver lining to this, because if you look at it from my perspective, well, XRP has been going up, right? It's been going up, it has very good long-term potential and even short-term potential, right? But we're not using, no one in the US is really using it yet. Not many people, only 5%. What happens once we get that answer, right? Once we get that answer from the SEC and we get regulatory certainty, that opens up the whole US market, okay? So what that means to me is that is just another boost that XRP is going to get when that decision comes. So we have multiple boosts coming up. We have the Flare network and the Spark token airdrop. That's one boost. Some people are hyping that up to be crazy. I think it's going to be good, but I don't think it's going to be crazy. The bigger boost, I think, in my opinion, is going to be when the SEC says, hey, XRP is not a security and it's safe for banks and financial companies to use. Once that happens, that I think is going to be an enormous boost to XRP, where all these companies are going to want XRP to use for liquidity or to pre-fund their accounts. They're going to go out and buy a lot of XRP, and I think, in my opinion, that is going to lead to a massive price surge, all right? I'm not going to get through the whole article. I know some people might take this as a negative. Well, US isn't using it yet. That to me is a positive, positive. That's room for growth. That's a whole area of the world that has not really been conquered yet for XRP. Only 5% of transactions, okay? So very interesting. I look at it as a silver lining. Let's get into CoinMarketCap data today. Bitcoin up 2%, almost 3%. Ethereum up almost 5%. Nice moves from Ethereum. XRP up a nice 4%, steady gains like I've been talking about. Litecoin up 3%, Chainlink 3%, Cardano 7%, Polkadot up almost 2%, Stellar up 2%, EOS up 3%. A very nice day in the market. Total market cap is up a little bit over 2% today, and Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 62.2%. Yeah, very interesting the way things are looking for XRP. The one word again just to reiterate: healthy, slow uptick growth. We're in a positive upwards bullish price channel. Technicals are looking sound. There will be some pullbacks. There will be some, some profit taking, okay? But if you remain consistent in your hodling in the long term, like I have been, I think there is a lot of potential there. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.
Inbox Dollars allows you to earn extra money doing paid surveys in your spare time. Use my link below in the description and you will earn a $5 bonus for sign up. Do not miss out and be sure to use my link.